Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, this is going to be a 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport double cab 4x4. It is in the Cavalry Blue exterior with the graphite cloth interior. And as far as our options go, we do have the clear protection door package for a total of $37,874. Gas mileage 18 city, 22 highway, 20 combined. Coming down here to our wheels, Toyo Open Country tires on your 17-inch alloys. TRD Sport badging. And then around back, you'd have your rear backup camera. Now you do have smart key access, so just go ahead and keep the key fob on you. Hand behind the door handle to unlock. And there are 49 miles on this one. So with the foot on the brake, just press your button to start. Let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, we do the 3.5 liter dual overhead cam V6. It does feature D4S direct import fuel injection as well as dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing 278 horsepower, 265 foot-pounds of torque, all going through a 6-speed automatic and a part-time four-wheel drive system. So that wraps it up underneath the hood. Let's check out the interior. Now before coming in, of your side mirrors, they're going to be body color with your turn signal indicators, and they are also heated. But coming in, we do have the 4-way manual driver's seat with manual lumbar adjustments down below. Door panel material, your power windows, locks and mirrors with door storage down below. Over here to the left of your steering wheel, you'd have your bed light, AC outlet, and your automatic high beams. Coming to that steering wheel, there's going to be a 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel. Over on the left, you have your audio controls, voice commands, and Bluetooth. Then over on the right is going to be your 4-way D-pad for your center LCD and your gauges. You also do have your dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, and your cruise stalk mounted to the wheel. Over on the left, you do have your LED daytime running lights, as well as headlights, automatic high beams, fog lights, and your tap to 3 blinks blinkers. And then over on the right, variable intermittent speed wipers. Now coming to your audio system, checking out sources, AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to your apps, you do have your navigation right here. It's going to be a full-fledged head unit with destination input via an address, a point of interest, or designating 6 different presets down below that. Now on your home screen, a little split screen view that you can customize by going to a 2-panel or a 3-panel unit. Below that, you do have your 4-wheel drive controls as well as your single-zone manual climate controls with your fan speed, temperature, and zones. Below that, ECT power, your power sliding rear glass, as you can see right there. We also do have your auxiliary and USB audio inputs as well as your Qi wireless charging mat for a compatible smartphone, as you can see. 12-volt outlet right there, and then various cup holders around the cabin. This is going to be the 6-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift. Going in reverse, you do have the rear view backup camera. Nice padded armrest with plenty of room and 2 charging USBs down in there. Glove box damped with your owner's manuals. Auto dimming rearview mirror. Mirror and vanity lights on your visor with some sunglass storage and your map lights up top. And that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Now coming back here, with this being the double cab model, you do have your full rear doors. And then underneath your seat cushion, you also do have some storage bins that you can lock up. Folding that back down and climbing in. Behind my 5'9" frame, I still have knee clearance and plenty of foot room. Cup holders, a seat mount pocket. You also do have adjustable rear headrest with coat hooks and cornering handles up top. Nice view of the dash right there. And we'll hop out and check out that bed and wrap up our video. Coming around back, this is going to be your 5-foot composite bed on this model. You have the locking rear tailgate with your backup camera right here. It is going to be damped with D-rings in all 4 corners, as well as having your bed rail system to tie down larger items. 120-volt outlet and storage over there. And we'll go ahead and close it up. Spare tire located underneath the vehicle. And as you can see, you do have your trailer hitch and all of the connections right over here. And that about wraps it up for this 2019 Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4 double cab. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.